How to use If PC Disability Insurance Denmark properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. If PC disability insurance in Denmark is designed to replace your income if illness or injury prevents you from working. Yet, many policyholders make mistakes that reduce coverage or risk claim denial. Most people get this wrong because they assume all disabilities are automatically covered, and the surprising truth is they are not. A common mistake is misunderstanding the policy's definition of disability. If PC offers coverage for either your own occupation or any occupation, choosing the wrong option could leave you underprotected if your disability prevents you from performing your current job. Ignoring the waiting period is another trap. This is the time between when a disability occurs and when benefits begin. Longer waiting periods lower premiums but leave you financially exposed. Shorter periods cost more but provide faster support. Choose a period that matches your savings and monthly expenses. Underestimating benefit amounts is another frequent error. Coverage should reflect your income, living costs, and ongoing financial obligations. Choosing too low a benefit may save money upfront but can leave you vulnerable if a serious illness or injury occurs. Skipping optional riders is another mistake. If PC offers add-ons like partial disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options, foregoing these reduces flexibility and long-term protection. Finally, providing incomplete or inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize your claim. If PC requires full transparency during application and claims, misreporting or omitting details may delay or even deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, If PC Disability Insurance Denmark can provide strong, reliable income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability, choose the right waiting period, set sufficient benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information to safeguard your financial future.